KastKing. This is a handy little backpack. I'm gonna keep everything dry. It's got a nice little pouch here for your fishing pole. Plenty of storage. Got all this Velcro up here. Look at, keep it dry. KastKing. Velcro up here for some tags. And a spot for your drink. Just like a vest. Just strap some stuff up front here. Plenty of loops. Got storage in the back. Ah, freaking hook got me. Look at that. Hook got me. Look at that. Owie. See if I can myself one-handed. Ah, yeah. Got plenty of storage. Water resistant. KastKing. They got a lot of great fishing supplies. You guys swing on over to their shop and check out everything they got. If you're looking for something for this fishing season, KastKing's likely got it. Back to school sale, you're gonna get this thing at a really good price, guys. Came with 4 of these trays. You could fit more in here for sure. Maybe 6 total, I don't know. There's plenty of room in here.